In our previous video, we learned how to install Autodoc, MGL tools, OpenBabel and PyMole. However, it has been often seen that MGL tools is not compatible with the latest versions of Ubuntu. As a result, users find it very difficult to do the docking process when using Autodoc in combination with MGL tools. Therefore, in this video, I am going to provide you a very quick installation of AutoDock Vina, OpenBabel and Miko in a single command. This will lead to installation of all the required softwares in a single command within a span of 10 minutes. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. In the first step, we are going to type the command cd as shown on your screen. This will lead you to your home directory. After that, you need to install Miniconda in your systems. So for that, you need to type the wget command followed by the file name as shown on your screen. Once you type this command and press enter, it will lead to downloading of Miniconda in your PC. Once the download is completed, you can type the command ls space dash LH followed by the file name. This command will help you in listing this required Miniconda file along with the file size. Now you can see that this downloaded Miniconda file is a shell script file. So you need to run this shell script command, that is chmod space +x followed by the file name as shown on your screen. In the next line, type / followed by dot and followed by your file name and then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you will get a series of prompts. Just type your response in affirmative or type yes followed by hitting the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, ultimately Miniconda will be installed into your systems. Now as you can see here, I've already basically installed Miniconda into my system. So that is why I am getting error. So you need not worry about all these errors. If you have not installed Miniconda into your system, just go for this command as I have instructed in this video. Moving on into the next step, we are going to basically create an environment using this Miniconda. For this, type the command conda space create space dash and followed by your environment name. In this case, I have created the environment docking as you can see on your screen. Once you have typed the whole command, just hit the enter button and wait for the prompts to appear on your screen. So once this conda environment is created, you need to basically activate this environment by typing the command conda space activate space docking or the environment name which you have chosen. So once you have typed this whole command, just hit the enter button. Your conda environment will be activated. In the next step, we are going to install Autodock Vina using a single command. So what you need to type here is conda space install space -c means channel space conda -forge followed by Autodock Vina space Miko space OBabel space -y, then hit the enter button and you will again get a series of prompts which will lead to the installation of all these components, that is Autodock Vina, Miko and OpenBabel. Once you have done with the install of Autodock Vina, Miko and OpenBabel, you also need to install PyMole using the command conda space install space -c space conda -4 space PyMole open source as you can see on your screen. Just hit the enter button and again PyMole will be installed. I'd already shown the installation of PyMole in my previous lecture as well. If you have not seen that video, you can also see that video. The link for the same is provided in the description. All this process is going to take around 10 to 15 minutes of installation. Once you're done with that, you need to basically check the versions, also verify whether your installation has been successful or not. In the first step, we are going to type Vina space --help. This will lead to appearance of various commands related to the Autodock Vina in your system. After that, you need to check the Miko version using the command as shown on your screen. So finally, you need to check this version of OpenBabel installed into your system. So for this, you need to type OBabel space -v and just hit the enter button. You will see the version of OpenBabel installed into your system. After that, you need to type PyMole and it will show you various instructions related to PyMole function as you can see on your screen here. So this video provides a very quick installation of Autodock Vina, Miko and OpenBabel along with PyMole into your system. I hope you find it very useful. In case you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button and please also share it with your peers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another tutorial of Autodock Vina where I'm going to show you how to prepare a protein before we can use it for docking purposes. Thank you so much for watching this video.